for others. Why it is happening? Why it is happening? Because we didn't give this similar thing on other files also. So what we will do is we will copy it from default.html and just paste the similar thing on the similar position on different files we have created. Did you understand this? What we will do is what we did on default.html. We gave the path, or you can say the file name link from the anchor tag href, and we will copy all those path names from default.html to, and just paste it on the similar location on every each file we have created. If you don't understand, you are seeing the video, you can understand it by yourself also. I am doing for each file. You can see me doing. Now for work experience page, we have to just paste it on the similar location. You can see what file we have pasted, what data we have pasted here. So now refresh at the default HTML. Now you can see every every home page heading is changing, and every main content is also changing. I think you now have got some ideas what I have done here. I know you guys are intelligent and you will learn what I have taught you. So what I will do is, like, I will go more advanced. I will go it push it into the another level. What I will do is I will open this notepad file of default.html and just remove that its own name from the position. This is the default.html file, and I am removing this default.html home from here. What it will do is save, then refresh. Like, when I will click on home, then it will get disappeared, because I am in home, so I don't want to use home again and again. So I will click on it and home just gets disappeared, so I can move to another, and I can also know where I am at. So this is some kind this is what I want to teach you. Like, when you are choosing something else, I am doing it on the every file. For the accomplishment, I am deleting accomplishment line, and for the competencies, I am deleting this competencies line. Similarly, for the contact me, I am deleting this contact me line. For the hobbies, I am deleting the hobbies line from the similar section. For the languages known, I am deleting the languages known line. I guess now you would have understood how we make the personal my profile, you can say, or personal profile. So now what your assignment is, like, we have created all of these, and till the last one you have to delete its name. We will go to the only two are left now. Yes, I have done for qualification.html. Save. Now for the, now just close it. Work experience, open it, notepad. Now we are done for everything. What I will do is, I will just open default.html and just try to click in each link given. So skill set is not working. What is wrong with it? Every other is working. Okay. Okay, no, I have not deleted this. This is what will happen if you will not delete it. So now every link is working. So there you go. You have created your personal profile. Now what I want from you guys is to try to create your profile like this one. Try to give it more vibrant colors, or whichever color you want. You can choose the hexadecimal values from the paint. You can take it from there, or you can just take it from the internet also. Now what I want you to do is just try to use list, paragraph tags, or heading tags, or table, or forms at the at this main content to make and create this main content section. What you have to do is, at the place of main content, you have to just use all of those whichever I have told you. Like from previous classes, we have used different tags at the first lab session, and at the second lab session we have created tables. So try to create tables in like languages known. For the language, you can do it language known and the level of expertise in it. And you can also use list in accomplishments, or you can also use a list in work experience. You can use a list in skill set also. Whichever list you want to write, it could be unordered list, it could be ordered list, or in the hobbies you can also use a list. At the contact me position, at the contact me link, what you have to do is you have to create a email text area, uh, and also the subject any user want to write about you, and just give two buttons there for submit and to reset. Guys, I think this would be enough for this class. Thank you for attending the session, and any doubt and queries are welcome. You can contact me through WhatsApp, through mail, or through calling. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.